Howdy, name's Dave, channel's TXW5CSM. Bet you're wondering what this is. If you have to find out where the studs are in your wall because you're going to hang a television mount or a piece of artwork, you got to know where the studs are. If you don't have a stud finder, ran across something on the internet and kind of elaborate a little bit on it here and let you know. If you have some of these old rare earth magnets off of old cell phone cases that you've been using on your refrigerator to hang things up, that's all these are, magnets. You just fish them around the wall until you find a spot where one of the steel screws to hang the drywall are placed in, and you just stick the magnets on it, and that's how you know. If you need to know the distance between the studs, you measure between the studs. These happen to be 16 inches. And now you know that if you draw an imaginary line from this to this, and everything is vertical the way it's supposed to be, you can now use this entire area as a stud to mount your TV mount or your artwork or whatever. So, share this with your friends. Knowledge is only power when it's shared.